In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and AccountSquarespace.com. We'll walk through starting from Squarespace's Create Your Website page, moving into your account dashboard, opening your website workspace, and editing a page to add a code block where you can paste your custom code for an author website. I'll keep it simple, explain what each click does, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by heading to Squarespace and selecting Create Your Website. This takes you into the site creation flow. If you're new, you can choose a template and start a free trial. If you already have an account, you can sign in when prompted. The goal here is just to get into the Squarespace environment so you can access your site and settings. Next, go to your account dashboard. You'll usually find a link or button that takes you there from the header or menu. The account dashboard is your home base. It lists your websites, domains, and subscriptions. If you manage multiple sites, this is where you can switch between them. Once you're in the account area, click on Website. This opens the website section tied to your account. From here, select the site you want to work on. If you only have one site, you'll go straight into that site's backend. If you have several, make sure you choose the correct one before you continue. Inside your chosen site, click the website title or thumbnail again to enter the editor, then open the Pages panel. Choose the page you want to modify and click Edit. You'll now be in the page editor where you can adjust sections and content. If you don't see Edit right away, hover near the page area until the editing controls appear. Remember, site-level settings like styles and navigation are separate from page-level content, so make sure you're editing the correct place. On the page, click Add Block, then select Code. The code block is perfect for embedding HTML, CSS, or scripts provided by trusted services. Paste the code you're using to build or enhance your author website experience. After pasting, use the block's settings to adjust alignment, spacing, and display. If the preview looks blank, that's often normal for certain scripts. Use the page preview to check the live render. Keep your code minimal and clean to avoid conflicts, and only embed code from sources you trust. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Use the preview tools to check both desktop and mobile views and adjust spacing or font sizes as needed. If something looks off, return to the code block, refine the snippet, and save again. That's it. By moving from Squarespace's Create Your Website page to your account dashboard, opening your site, editing the page, and adding a code block, you've set up the foundation for your author website enhancements.